Good morning, students. This video is for class 7 for the subject of English language. Students, today we are going to revise the topic types of sentences based on their structure. Students, we have already done this topic on dated 14th December 2020. Students, in our previous lessons, we have done types of sentences based on their meaning, and we have also done about clauses and types of clauses. That will be very helpful to you in this topic. In this lesson, we will discuss about the types of sentences based on their structure. On the basis of the structure of the sentences, we can classify them as simple, compound, and complex sentences. So students, on the basis of their meaning, sentences are of 4 types, and on the basis of their structure, the sentences are of 3 types. Students, in this lesson, we will learn about types of sentences based on their structure. But before doing that, we will discuss about clauses. In our previous lesson, we have already done clauses in details. So here we will just revise that a clause is a group of words, though it is not a complete sentence, but it has a finite verb. It may also have a subject and a predicate, just like a sentence. Now, we will discuss about the types of sentences on the basis of their structure. First of all, number 1, simple sentences. So students, simple sentences are sentences that convey one single thought. They contain a subject, a finite verb, and an object. So, a sentence which has only one finite verb in it, or is made up of only one clause, is called a simple sentence. For example, Ajay is the best cricket player of our school. A good man is always keen to serve others. A good man is always keen to serve others. A wicked person never gets peace of mind. These sentences contain a single complete independent clause with one finite verb. So these are simple sentences. So students, you got to know what are simple sentences. And now, number 2, compound sentences, or we can also say coordinate clauses. Compound sentences are made up of 2 or more independent clauses joined together with coordinating conjunctions such as and, but, yet, either, or, neither, nor, so, therefore, etc. So these are coordinating conjunctions and compound sentences when two or more independent clauses joined together with these coordinating conjunctions, then they form a compound sentence. For example, she entered the room and switched on the light. This sentence is made up of two clauses. Clause number 1, she entered the room and she switched on the light. So she entered the room, one clause, one independent clause, and the other independent clause, she switched on the light, and they are joining with conjunction, coordinating conjunction and. So this is a compound sentence. So students, you can see in both the clauses they can stand on their own. So both of them are main or principal clauses, or also we can say independent clauses. So two independent clauses, such clauses are there in this sentence joining with conjunction and. Such clauses are called coordinate clauses. So the sentence above has two independent or main clauses joining with a coordinating conjunction and is a compound sentence. Students, you got that a sentence made up of two or more principal or main or independent clauses is called a compound sentence. Now, students, number 3, we will study about complex sentences. Till here, you have learned about simple and compound sentences. In simple sentence, you got to know that it contains only one finite verb, and compound sentences, two independent clauses joining with the coordinating conjunction. Now, complex sentences or subordinate clause. Students, complex sentences are made up of one independent clause connected to one or more than one dependent clause or subordinate clause. Students, in this chapter, you have learned types of sentences on the basis of their meanings and the types of sentences based on their structure. So now it should be very clear to you that on the basis of their meaning, sentences are of 4 types: assertive, interrogative, imperative, and exclamatory. And on the basis of their structure, sentences are of 3 types: simple, compound and complex sentences. Alright students, now we have done with the chapter and I hope that you will be able to do this topic easily in your forthcoming examination. Thank you and have a nice day.